Good morning, peoples of the internet. We have a new car. This is my wife's new commuter car because she's got a new job and she's going to be commuting a long way, so we thought, decent comfy car. However, it's got a few issues, so you might see it in a few videos. Today we're going to do the gas struts for the boot because when you press the button, it doesn't do anything.
They don't strut.
They don't strut. So we have some new ones from the China. Hopefully they're the right length. We're going to pop these ones off, pop these ones on. Job done. Should be an easy, quick fix.
So yeah. These are pretty easy. You can see that little clip there. Basically, you got to pop that down and then it just pops off the thing.
I'll show you. So we've got wee space for a screwdriver in there. Top tip, don't lose the clips. So
top tip, support the boot when you take the strut off.
So
we got one on.
Clip comes out and out it pops. And then we have another new one. Top tip. When you remove the clips, don't remove them completely, just slide them out a little bit.
Yeah.
Because if you take them off, they're a bit of a nightmare to put back on again. So I'll show you. This clip, don't take it all the way off.
No, just slide it up.
Slide it a little bit. My hand's probably in the way there.
That's okay. There we go.
Maybe a bit more.
But keep it attached to the strut.
Yes, and the same at this end. Bit more, just so that it pops on nice and easy.
Oh, careful, we're close to lift off.
Try that. So this one goes this way. Clip. Done.
Okay, I'm gonna let go. Whoa. Much struttage.
There's the key.
I have no idea.
Since we don't have a button on the outside of the car, have to use the one that's key. They're ready spring now.
So now when you open it, automatic? No, you still got to give it a touch. Whoa. These have gas in them, the other ones didn't.
Yeah, I'm sure the wife will be very happy with that.
Yes.
Awesome, job done.
Easy. And how much? 20 bucks?
Oh, most
$22.
Most $30 delivered, I think. I can't remember. Well, it wasn't a lot of money.
So,
really easy to do. It's taken us all of about 5 minutes, and we filmed as well.
Yes.
We've got some bits to go in the bin. The wife will be happy.
Yes.
Join us. We're going to be doing a few more projects on this. We might be doing side repeaters. We have a tail light to change. But we're also going to do CarPlay hedge in it because it's got the stock F25 iDrive display at the minute, which is, it's okay for its time, but it's a 2011 car and the wife's other car has CarPlay, so she really wants to have CarPlay again. So we've done a few. We did Lee's 135, we've done my 135 twice, we did your old 135.
Many.
So hopefully that'll be a relatively easy install because we've done a few before. So check back with us, do the like, comment, subscribe thing, and we'll see you soon.